Hi, this is Captain Chris aboard a cruising yacht in South Florida in February. Wanted to talk to you about an upcoming maintenance seminar we have one day, Friday, February 19, or another one day, Saturday, February 20. I'd like to show you some of the things that we'll be talking about. Of course, all of the engine controls here that we've got on the dashboard, some of the electronics, GPSs. We've got an inverter over here that will work with the inverters, and then we also have the control panels for the AC and the DC control electrical systems on board the boat. And the most important part, let me open up this engine room hatch. This is a boat that a couple have just purchased, and we're having some trouble with the batteries. So we've made sure that we've got extra jumper cables down there until we can get into port and have a professional come help us figure out what's wrong with the battery. We're assuming the battery's got a dead cell, which means that it will not take a charge. And more important and more dangerous, it's overheating. So we do not want to have an overheated hot battery on board the boat. So if you want to learn more about boat maintenance, come join us in Vero Beach Saturday, February 20 or Friday, February 19. This is Captain Chris. If you want to learn more, call me. My cell phone, 772-205-1859. I'll say again, 772-205-1859. Thanks.